What's good, everyone? Today we are in Kraków and we're going to find out if Polish people can talk about their summer holidays in English. Who's going where? What kind of holidays people like? And if they can talk about all of it without switching back to Polish. You're watching Angielski z Danielem, where I teach real English to real Polish people. So let's go find some real Polish people and speak some real English. Let's get on with it. All right, I'm here with, what's your name?
Aleksandra.
Milena. Margaret.
Kuba.
My name is Eva.
Paulina.
Karolina.
Mehmet.
The first question is, have you ever been abroad?
Oh, obviously, I visited already 28 countries, I suppose.
28 and counting.
Greece.
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 And have you ever been abroad?
I said abroad.
Outside of the country?
Yes. New York. Turcja.
Turkey.
Turkey. Italiano.
It's Italy.
Mm-hmm.
Can you say Italy?
Italy.
Yes, I have been abroad many times, and that's all. I have been to many countries, but basically in Europe. But I have been also to Tunisia, and I think that was my favorite country because it kind of differs from another countries in Europe.
Yeah, I'm actually now.
Oh, you actually are now. Where are you from?
I'm from Turkey, Istanbul.
Oh, Istanbul. I would love to visit.
If you come, you can just call me,
Okay.
and I could show you the city. I'm currently in a long trip. I was in Berlin before I came here.
Mhm.
I currently reside in Berlin. I went to Vienna, Budapest, and now I'm here in Krakow. It's beautiful.
Yeah, a few times. I was in Scotland in June.
This June, yeah?
Yeah, I think Scotland is a very beautiful country. The nature is I don't know how to say that.
You can say mesmerizing.
Mesmerizing, yeah.
Very good. One thing we can say in English, jak opowiadamy, gdzie byliśmy na świecie, we can start with I've been to i potem listujemy. I've been to Greece, I've been to Turkey. Can we try that one more time? So, have you ever been abroad?
I've been to New York, Turkey, and Italy.
Have you ever been outside of Poland?
Yes, I was.
If I say, have you ever been abroad? You said I was. We can say, I have.
I have
Yeah.
been.
Just I have.
I have,
As
okay.
a short answer to the question, have you ever been abroad?
I have.
Perfect. That is perfect.
I currently live in Holland for the last 15 years, and before Russia and England and China.
You've lived there.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
We're drifting already.
Can I hold your hand?
Sure,
So
sure.
then I would stay in one place. Yeah.
So you've lived in Russia, you've
Yeah.
lived in England.
In China and in Holland.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're well traveled, you're experienced, you've been all around the world.
Yeah.
So tell us what your favorite place is.
It's very difficult to say because I really love the world. And for
I can
me,
tell.
Yeah. Top 5. Top 5 then. Romania, Scotland, maybe Bulgaria, because it's quite different, and Mexico, and I don't know really. I love every country. In every country you find
A lot of
something-
unexpected answers
Yeah.
there, I would say.
Yeah.
So what country would you recommend, or what country has been your favorite out of the 28 you've been to?
Definitely Greece.
Greece,
Yes.
the Greek islands or mainland Greece. Can you tell us a bit more about what your favorite parts of Greece are and why?
Crete. Definitely Crete, because this was my first place I visited from the whole Greece. And I've been on continental part, I've been on Corfu, Rhodos, other Santorini as well. Don't go there. No.
Santorini.
Santorini is not a good place. Too much tourists, and basically everyone goes there to get engaged or see the sunset. Yeah, I've seen better, especially in Scotland, for an example. So, Santorini is overrated.
Are you going on holiday this year?
Yes. Kraków.
Oh, you're on holiday now. Yeah? Are you on holiday?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Gdańsk.
You're from Gdańsk.
Gdańsk.
So you're on holiday right now.
Yes.
Where are you going this year? Are you going on holiday this year?
I don't go. I wouldn't.
We can just say I'm not.
I'm not. Yeah, because I have not money enough.
Okay, so I don't have enough money. Okay. Where would you like to go then? If you had all the money in the world, where would you go?
To Greece.
To Greece. A Greek island or the mainland Greece?
The main maybe to Athens. I would like to visit them.
Are you planning to go on holiday anywhere this year?
Well, I do, definitely. It will be for sure Crete in October. In October I have birthday and this is like my destination that I really want to visit again. And maybe in December I will go to Vienna again. It's a really impressive city.
Are you going on holiday this year?
I am actually right now on holiday because I live in Holland. And I've been already to China this year and Malta and Italy.
And you're also on holiday?
Yes.
Are you planning any more holidays this year?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't.
I'm not.
I'm not.
Are you?
Oh.
I am not. I'll ask again. Are you planning any more holidays this
I'm
year?
not.
But I would like to visit another country this summer. I haven't made a decision yet, but I would like to visit a new country. For example, Greece is beautiful. I have.
And you've
heard.
never been?
No, actually no. But there are many old towns there, so that's why I would like to go to Greece.
So you like old towns?
Yes, I do.
That's why you're here.
Yeah. I love Krakow actually.
What does your perfect holiday look like?
I think all inclusive to lay and to do anything.
Just stay at the hotel, really?
Yeah, to lay next to the pool and do anything.
I mean, do nothing.
Yeah.
Or not do anything, albo do nothing. Do you have any dream holiday destinations where you would love to go?
Japan.
Great answer. You would love to go to Japan. Why do you want to go to Japan?
I don't know. A jak jest atmosfera? Fajna atmosfera.
Praktycznie tak samo. Atmosphere.
Good atmosphere is Japan.
What about the language? The Japanese language. It's very hard. You would have to speak English probably.
Okay. I don't know.
It would be a fun experience. So you would love to go to Japan. Where would you like to go in the world? The whole world.
Wspaniale.
Spain? Why Spain?
Chciałabym mieć tam dom.
So you would like to live there. You want to live there. What's the perfect holiday for you? What would it be?
Perfect holiday, hitchhiking, no money, tent and go around the whole planet.
Wow.
I would love to visit all the countries.
I think you
Maybe
can still do
someday.
it.
Maybe.
Yeah, you can do it. Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
So first of all, I would pick a nice hotel closer to the city center. And for me, nature and historical places are much more important than the city life. I would basically look for historical places, nature places like mountains, forests, caves and stuff like that. First of all, I always go to a nice cafe in a city close to center, and I try to, chat with the locals, try to learn about the city, and then I just dive into it.
Yeah.
Perfect holiday.
Nice accent.
Thank you. I would like to go to some island like Zanzibar, Bora Bora, something like that with my friends or family, and just chill.
Chill.
Yeah, for 2 weeks, for example. I know that would be...
Like at the hotel, just chill, or?
No, honestly, I would like to go 50-50. Like, for example, a week at the hotel and a week of visiting.
Exploring.
Yeah, exploring,
yeah.
exactly. That's my dream holiday.
Perfect holiday. How would you describe that? What would that look like?
Yes, with her. Spending time with her. I love.
Anywhere in the world, as long as it's with her, yeah?
Yes.
Describe your perfect holiday.
Actually, I think the new country, a new place, whether I travel with friends or not, doesn't matter because I love traveling on my own. The place where you can learn something new and experience something which gets you out of your comfort zone, so your mind broadens. And actually, if you do that on the low budget, I think it's fun. So just stay away from expensive hotels. Just go in a hostel or tent. Or a tent? Tent do we have? Because
Namiot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because sometimes I have words in Dutch, so I don't know which one is
No,
which
yeah,
one.
tent,
Sometimes,
yes.
Yeah, something like that.
Polish seaside or Polish mountains?
Mountains, yeah. I love mountains. I love hiking, you know.
Love hiking?
Yeah.
Polish seaside or Polish mountains?
Mountains, of course. Yeah, less people, extremities, a little bit competing with yourself, sport, health.
Polish mountains.
Polish mountains.
Okay, even though you girls are from the seaside, you prefer the mountains.
Mountains.
That's a no-brainer.
There is nothing to discuss.
Got it.
Seaside. Because I hate mountains.
You hate mountains.
Yeah, it's so boring for me.
Polish seaside.
Why?
Honestly, I don't know. I like hiking because I do hiking with my family and my dad. But seaside, it just has some kind of vibe and you can chill on beach. I really love Polish beach, so that's why.
Turkish seaside or Turkish mountains?
Seasides for sure. Antalya, Izmir, you know, the Mediterranean and the Aegean side. Perfect.
Would you rather go on holiday with no sun cream or no charger?
Wow. No sunscreen. If my phone would die, my mother would probably call the whole army of this planet to find me. So I need to stay in contact with her. She's always worried.
That's fantastic. That's awesome. Shout out to mum.
No treasure.
No charger.
No charger.
So you prefer to have sun cream?
Yes.
Good. That's very smart.
No sunscreen because I don't really use the sunscreen.
Anyway, you don't use it anyway.
No charger, yeah.
No charger. Detox from the tech.
Yeah.
No sun cream because I never use it. So
You never use it anyway.
yeah. So yeah. But I need my telephone because I love to take pictures and send it to my friends. So
No sun cream because I don't burn. I tan naturally and I don't have problems with that, so that's why.
I mean, I have never used sun cream, so no sunscreen for sure.
Holiday with friends or with family?
Friends. But it's really hard to find someone that is on the same page as you are.
Yeah.
Family is a hard issue.
Yeah.
You know, go your way, mom, dad.
Just text me.
Yeah, I think my parents won't be mad at me, but I would go with my friends.
Sorry, mum and dad.
Yeah.
Family and friends.
Both. Fantastic.
Friends.
Friends, like now.
Yes.
Both. Because I really like spend time with my family and friends. So
Yeah.
it would
perfect.
be fun with both.
friends.
Both, I think.
Both. At the same time?
No, not necessary.
With family.
Family.
With
Nice.
family. Yeah.
Summer holidays or winter holidays?
Summer holidays. I love winter, but still, it's the best view for me is to lay on the couch under the blanket and drinking hot cocoa and read a book and watching through the window how the snow falls.
No.
That's beauty of winter.
Yes. That is a comforting thought.
Summer holiday.
Winter.
Summer holidays because of weather.
If you're in a place where there is a lot of snow, then for sure winter, like in a cozy place, like near the fire, having, you know, coffee,
Oh yeah.
skiing and stuff like that. So that's certainly would be my preference.
Okay.
Summer, definitely. You can do more things in summer than winter. Also, I don't like winter activities. Like I'm afraid of snowboarding, skiing, etc. I'm scared of this.
Yeah, that shit's dangerous.
Yeah, it is.
You can break a leg or something.
And I'm a little bit clumsy, so that's also.
It's a good word, clumsy.
Summer. Warm.
I love winter,
days.
but summer too.
Summer
For
too.
traveling, I think so.
Italy or Spain?
I think Spain because the people there are really, really nice. I just love the beaches there. The weather is always good, in my opinion. I would love to live in Spain one day.
Spain.
Spain.
Italy. I love Aperol.
Spain.
Italy.
Italy.
Spain.
Okay. Booze it up or no alcohol?
No alcohol. If I can choose, then it's no alcohol. I don't like buzzing up. I'm not that type of a woman.
Alcohol or no alcohol on holiday?
Alcohol.
No alcohol.
Depends. You know. Local drinks,
Getting drunk with the locals.
No alcohol.
No alcohol.
Final question. Jak powiedzieć po angielsku? How would you say it? Jak dostać się do centrum? Jak dostać się do centrum? But you have to ask in English. How would you say that? How would you configure that question?
How to get to the city center?
Okay.
How can I get?
There you go. That's the better option. How can I get to? Because how to get to to nie jest prawdziwe pytanie. How to get to. How to get to to jest powiedzmy struktura twierdząca,
Jak się dostać?
która działa tylko jakbyśmy powiedzieli could you tell me how to get to the city center? Ale nie można zacząć pytania od how to get to. It's not a question.
Masz rację,
Yeah.
tak.
So we can ask how can I, like you said, how can I get to the city center? Lub można zapytać how do I get to the city center?
That way.
Or how do you? We can say how do you get to the city center? But we cannot say how to. We cannot ask how to bezpośrednio.
Okay, so I've learned something new.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thank you very much for the interview, by the way. It was a pleasure. Thank you very much. You've got fantastic English. Thank you so much.
Hey,
And you're both Polish, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. Been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good summer, enjoy your life, and that's all. Thank you.
Damn. Peace. And that's the end of the video. I had a lot of fun speaking to people today in English. That's what it's all about. Meeting people, speaking. That's what traveling's about too. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.